Your heart just stopped beating, but you are not gone yet. For the next 7 minutes, your brain does something we still can't explain. Clinical death begins the instant blood stops moving. Oxygen to the brain, gone in seconds. You have maybe 10 seconds of consciousness left. Then the lights should simply go out. Except they don't. In 2022, doctors recorded a dying human brain. An 87-year-old man mid-scan had a heart attack. The machine kept running as he died, and it caught something extraordinary, a surge of gamma waves, the exact frequency of memory and dreaming, the same pattern your brain makes when you recall your entire life. This is where the life review may come from. Not a metaphor, a measurable electrical storm, your last 30 years replayed in seconds. But the brain isn't finished. As oxygen vanishes, neurons fire wildly. One final, desperate cascade. Some scientists believe this floods you with a chemical called DMT, the most powerful hallucinogen known, possibly made inside your own brain. It could explain the tunnel, the blinding warm light, the feeling of leaving your body, experiences survivors swear were realer than real, across cultures, across centuries, the same vision. Now the shutdown accelerates. Sight fades first. The world narrows to a point, then dissolves into black. But hearing stays. It is the last sense to leave. Studies show the dying brain still responds to voices in the room. The people you love may be the last thing you know. Not light, not memory, their voice. Around 4 minutes, the damage turns permanent. Cells starve without oxygen. The energy that ran you runs out. Neurons fire their final signals into the dark. 6 minutes. The storm fades to flickers. 7 minutes. The flickers stop. And the brain, for the first time, is completely silent. No thought, no signal, no you. Everything you were, gone quiet. But here is the strange part. For those 7 minutes, you may not have felt like you were dying at all. You may have felt more awake than ever. So the real question isn't when you'll die. It's what you'll witness in the minutes your brain refuses to let go. If you made it here, subscribe. Keep one eye open.